The benefits of data visualization. The first one is simplifies complex data visualization. Simplifies understanding and interpretation of complex datasets by transforming them into a visually appealing format. The second one is visual formats like graphs and charts reveal patterns, correlations, and trends in data, aiding in faster decision-making, saving time and resources. Third one is aids in decision-making. Data visualization aids in faster and more effective decision-making by highlighting key insights, enabling businesses to assess performance, competitive landscape, customer behavior, and market trends. Next, improves retention and engagement. Visual data is engaging and memorable, making it an effective tool for presentations, reports, and stakeholder communications. Real-time monitoring. Interactive dashboards enable businesses to monitor their operations in real time, aiding in tasks like sales performance tracking, supply chain management, and operational efficiency management. The last one is predictive analysis. Advanced visualization tools enable businesses to predict future trends based on historical data. This can be useful for forecasting sales, demand, and other important business metrics.